There are five main types of assessment for this class. The first is tutorial participation, which is worth 10% of your grade. Each one of these assessment tasks are related to the learning outcomes that were described above. Tutorial participation is worth 10% of your final grade. Half of that will be centered on the simulation activities. 10% will be, the other half of tutorial participation will be related to how much you actually participate in discussion and questions and really engaging with the time that you have with the tutor and your other students in discussing matters related to this class. The next assessment task, the second, is a series of quizzes that are worth 10% of your grade. I'll be going through all of these in more detail later on in the course guide. Midterm will be scheduled during week 6. I don't have the date and time for that yet. It is worth 25% of your final grade. There will be a 1,000-word response paper that will be due May 17th during the day, and that's worth 15% of your grade. And that is, the goal is to try to link the general theoretical topics that we've covered, case studies in the class, specifically the Assyrian simulation, and your perception of how this relates and ties into the general theoretical approaches. And the final assessment task is the final examination, which occurs during the examination period. Usually, given the size of this class, it's in the first half of the examination period, and that's worth 40% of your grade.